مبل سوسان 4 عام الزخري بحت مسكرم شحن 961 مجمار بريطاوي حرنتاو قالسي حزب إرترا زخبر كان اتفتخان حزب إرترا اتا حابنن تأمرت صنعتن حزب إرترا زخونت فلامي تعلت بريطاو تقادلو حزب إرترا بقار انه سوسان 4 عامتا أكيلا لومي بحت مسكرم كلتشحن 25 دبا خيلاتنا الله እቶም ኣብዛን ህዝቢ ኤርትራ ናጽነትን ሓርነትን ንምጉንጻፍ በጃኽ ሓልፉ ዝተወፈዩ ሓርበኛታትና ብመሪሕነት ጅግና ሓርበኛ ሓመድ እድሪስ ዓዋቴ ኣብ ባሕት መስከረም 1961 ነታ ፈላሚት ጥይት ኣብ ጎብ ኣዳል ባርካ ኣበሲሮማ እዞም ኣዝዮም ውሕዳት ጀጋና ሓርበኛታት بأزيو دحورن وحدن عقم برتاو حارنتاو تقادلو كالعلو خلو انترفو أبسطو من هزبو من أبكال امنتو اينورو من كونا خاء اتن مجزاتاو أرعوت انبيز بلا ملا هزبي إرترا كابسات نسات كابراس كاسار كسابراس دميرا نابسو رؤو وحيزو ملا حزب إرترا نسالاس عامتات منتي ناصنتن حارنتن بجاتا حلال مريتن بجግንነት ተጋዲሉ ተሰውዩ መሪርን ብዙሕ ሓጎጽ ዝመልኦን ጉዕዞ ሰውራና ሰጊሩ ኸኣ ኣብ 24 ጉንበት 1991 ናጽነት ሃገርና ኣረጋጊጹ እምበር إذان حارنت زبي إرترا زنقدت فلاميت بحت مسكرم 1961 كي ذكركا معالت ناصنت إرترا نبينا خذكر أي كألن مخنياتو اتخلو نناصنت زغوانا صفه جግነትን መስዋዕትን ኣብቲ ካብዛ ፈላሚት بحت مسكرم كساب 1991 ዝተፈጸመ ታሪኽ ስለዝኾነ እዩ ባሕት መስከረም ልዕልተን ኩለን ሃገራዊ በዓላትና እያ ንሳ ኸኣ ንመዓልቲ ናጽነት ኤርትራ ወሊዳ እቲ ብዘይ ሕጋዊ ኣገባብ ንሃገርና ዝጎበጠ ባዕዳዊ መግዛእቲ ስርዓት ኢትዮጵያ ብቕልጽም ተጋዳላይን ሓፋሽ ህዝቢ ኤርትራን ኣብ 24 ጉንበት 1991 ተሓግሒጉ ካብ ሃገርና ወፂኡ ድሕሪ 2 ዓመት ካብ ሚያዝያ 13 ክሳብ 25 1993 ድማ መላእ ዓለም ተዓዘቦን ዝመስከረሉን ታሪኻዊ መስርሕ ምድማጽ ህዝባዊ ረፈረንደም ተኻይዱ 99.81 ካብ 100 ህዝቢ ኤርትራ ኸኣ ባሕደ ድምጺ እወ ንናጽነት ኢሉ ብምድማጽ ዘየወላውል ርእሰ ውሳኔኡን ናይ ናጽነት ድልየቱን ንመላእ ህዝቢ ዓለም ኣረጋጊጹ በዚ ኸኣ ኤርትራ ኣባል ማሕበር ሃገራት ዓለም ብምዃን ልኡላውነታ ተረጋጊጹ ኩርዓት ህዝብና ካብ ማዓሙቕ ልቢ ፈንጭሑ ወፂኡ ህዝብና ብታሕጓስ ሳዕሲዑ ነቢዑን ዘሊሉን እቲ ኣብ ባሕት መስከረም 1961 ዝነቐለ ገድሊ ህዝቢ ኤርትራ ዕላምኡ ንሃገርና ኤርትራ ካብ መግዛእታ ጎበጣ ናጻ ኣውፂእካ ህዝቢ ኤርትራ ድማ ዋና ሃገሩ ኮይኑ بحرنت كم زنبر نمرقاقيو نيرو أبز حالفا 34 عامتات دحري مرقاقاس لؤلاونتنا حزب إرترا أبقزاء هاقورن ميريتون كل حرنتو مسلاتون كبرتاتون تقاحيسو أب أسكحكاحي زبيتاو قليانت كنبر تقديدو الله ስለዝኾነ ህዝብና ሓርነታዊ ቃልሲ ክቅፅል ተቐሲቡ ምእንቲ ምርግጋጽ ሓርነቱ ከዓ እልቢ ዘይብሉን በብዓይነቱን መስዋዕቲ ይኸፍል ኣሎ ነዚ ህዝባዊ ሓርነት እዚ ዝተቃለሱን ዝፀውዑን እልፊ ኣእላፋት መራሕትን ተራ ኤርትራውያንን ዜጋታት ብምልካው ስርዓት ሃገርና ብዓፈና ተጨውዮም ተሰዊሮም ደሃዮም ኣይፍለጥን ብሰንኩ መላእ ቤተሰብ ሕዩራት መቃልስቶም ብሓፈሻ ከዓ ህዝቢ ኤርትራ ኣብ ክቱር ሻቁለትን ስነ ኣእምራዊ ነውፅን ይነብሩ ኣለዉ ሎሚ መበል 64 ባሕቲ መስከረም ክንዝክራን ክንፅምብላን ከለና እቲ ንሳ ዝነቐለትሉ ሓርነታዊ ዕላማ ብምዝካር ነቲ ገና ዘይተረጋገፀ ሓርነት ህዝብና ብምስትንታን ንሓርነት ህዝብና ንምዕዋት ብሓባር ክንስለፍ መብፅዓና እናሓድሰላ ዕለት ክትከውን ይግባእ እታ ኣብ ባሕቲ መስከረም 1961 ዝተወልዐት ሽግ ሓርነት ክሳብ ኣብ ሽታኣ ትበፅሕ ብዘይ ምስልካይ ዓቲርናያ ክንምርሽ ናይ ኩልና ኤርትራውያን ብፍላይ ከዓ ናይ መንእሰይ ወለዶ ቀንዲ ሓላፍነት እዩ ከምቲ ልዕላውነት መሬትና ዘረጋገፅና ልዕላዊ መሰል ህዝብና ማለት ሓርነት ህዝብና ከም እንረጋግፅ ከዓ ናይ ግድን እዩ እወ ብደቅና ክወግሕ እዩ እዚ ናይ ቃልሲ ጭርሖና ክኸውን ይግባእ ጭርሖና ነቶም ቅድሜና ዝነበሩ ወለደታት ከምኡ እውን ህያብና ንመጻኢ ወለደታት ኤርትራውያን መንእሰያት ነቲ ንህዝቢ ኤርትራ ዘሳቕ ዘሎ ስርዓተ ምልክን ራዕድን ንሓዋር ሓግሒጎም ንምድርባይ ተላዒሎም ኣለዉ ነቲ ብምልካው ስርዓት ኤርትራ ዝተጠልመ ሓርነት ህዝብና ናብ ቦትኡ ንምምላስ ከዓ ሽግ ሓርነት ናይ ባሕቲ መስከረም የንበልብሉ ኣለዉ ኤርትራውያን ወለድን ነባራት ሓርበኛታትን ከዓ ኣብ ጎኒ ደቆም ብምዃን ምኽሮምን ተመክሮኦምን ከካፍሉ ዝጠልብ መንእስያት ደቅና እውን ናብ ወለዶም ዝውከስሉ ውዕውዕ ናይ ቃልሲ መድረኽ ኢና ኣቲና ዘለና እዚ ውዕውዕ ቃልሲ እዚ ሓርነታዊ ሽትኡ ከጨበጠ ደው ኣይክብልን እዩ ከምቲ ትማሊ ብብረታዊ ተጋድሎና ናጽነት ዘረጋገፅና ሓርነት ህዝብና ንምርግጋጽ እነካይዶ ቃልሲ እውን ፍትሓዊ ስለ ዝኾነ ዓወቱ ናይ ግድን እዩ ንሕና ኤርትራውያን ኣብ ብዙሕ ክንፈላለ ንኽእል ንኸውን ኣብ ሃገራዊ ፍቅርና ልዕላውነት ሃገርናን ህዝብናን ግን ከም ኤርትራውያን ተፈላሊና ኣይንፈልጥን ኢና ዝሓለፈ ናይ 30 ዓመት ብረታዊ ገድሊ ህዝቢ ኤርትራ ህያው ምስክር እዩ ዓለም እውን ምስክርና እያ እሞ ኣብዛ ክብርቲ ዕለት ባሕቲ መስከረም ነቲ ኣብ ብረታዊ ቃልሲ ዘመስከርናዮ ሓድነት ዳግማይ ንምትራሩ መብፅዓና ተወፋይነትናን ብግብሪ ከነመስክር ኣብ ትርግታ መላእ ህዝቢ ኤርትራ ዘሎ ፃውዒት እዩ እዚ ህዝባዊ ፃውዒት እዚ ሃገርና ኣብ ኣዝዩ ተኣፋፍን ሓደገኛን መድረኽ ኣትያትሉ ኣብ ዘላ እዋን ኣዝዩ ህፁፅ ይገብሮ ኩልና ኤርትራውያን መራሕትን ተራን ዜጋታት ኣብ ውሽጥን ኣብ ወፃእን ዘለና ኤርትራውያን ነዚ ህፁፅ ህዝባዊ ፃውዒት ግቡእ ኣቓልቦ ሂብና እጃምና ከነበርክት ግዴታ ኣለና ነቲ ኩሉ መሓውራት ናይ ሓርነት ህዝብና ክኸውን ዝግብኦ ማለት ቀዋማዊ ስርዓት ብህዝብና ዝቀውም ህዝባዊ ባይቶ ካልእ ህዝብና እምነቱን ናፃ ድምፁን ዝገልጸሉ ትካላትን ብምዕፋን ንሃገርና ኣብ ደልሃመት ሸሚምዋ ዘሎ ብውሕዳት ጭፍራ ዝምራሕ ኣረመናዊ ስርዓት ናይ ሃገርና ካብ ሱር ነቂልና ደርቢና ህዝብና ቀሲኑ ዝነበረላ ፍትሓዊት ኤርትራ ንምህናጽ ካብ ዝኾነ ይኹን እዋን ንላዕሊ ኣሐይልና ክንሰርሓሉ ይግባእ። ዮሃና ነቶም ክወግሕ ምዃኑ ከይተጠራጠሩ በጃ ዝሓለፉልና ጀጋኑ ብደቅና ክወግሕ እዩ። መርበብ ሓበሬታ ስኒትና.com 1 መስከረም 2025
64th anniversary of the beginning of the Eritrean People's Armed Liberation Struggle, September 1st, 1961 to 2025. Beloved people of Eritrea! The first day of the revolutionary struggle of the Eritrean people, the pride and symbol of the people of Eritrea, has now, the 1st of September, 2025, turned 64 years old. On September 1st, 1961, our heroes who sacrificed their lives to achieve freedom and liberation for the people of Eritrea, under the leadership of the heroic hero Hamid Idris Awit, announced the first bullet at Adel Hill, Barca. When these very few heroes raised the armed liberation struggle with very backward and limited weapons, they had no confidence in anything but their comrades and their people. And so it happened that the entire people of Eritrea, who refused the colonial yoke, flocked to his revolution from all walks of our society, from Ras Kassar to Ras Jumara. The entire people of Eritrea, for 30 years, fought and sacrificed heroically for their freedom and liberation, for the sake of their sacred land. On May 24, 1991, our revolution achieved its independence. Therefore, it is impossible to commemorate the Independence Day of Eritrea alone without remembering this pioneering September 1st, 1961, which led to the liberation of the Eritrean people. Because all the heroism and sacrifice that led to independence in our history happened from this 1st September 1961 to 1991. September 1st is above all our national holidays. It gave birth to Eritrea's Independence Day. On May 24, 1991, the Eritrean people, through the courage of their fighters and the strength of the masses, overthrew the foreign colonial occupation imposed by Ethiopia. It was a triumph born of sacrifice, unity, and unwavering resolve. 2 years later, from April 23 to 25, 1993, a historic referendum was held. With 99.81% voting yes to independence, Eritreans spoke with one voice, declaring to the world their undeniable right to self-determination. This resounding mandate led to Eritrea's recognition as a sovereign nation. Pride surged through the hearts of our people. They danced, they wept, they leapt with joy. Finally, the dream of independence had become reality. The struggle of the Eritrean people, which began on September 1, 1961, was aimed at liberating our country from colonial occupation and ensuring that the Eritrean people become owners of their cause and live in freedom. Over the past 34 years, after the establishment of our sovereignty, the people of Eritrea have been forced to live in horrific domestic slavery in their own country and land, with all their freedoms, rights, and values violated. Therefore, our people were determined to continue their freedom struggle. They are making all kinds of heavy sacrifices to secure their freedom. Thousands of leaders and ordinary Eritrean citizens who fought and called for this popular freedom have been abducted and disappeared by the dictatorial regime. As a result, the entire families of the prisoners, their comrades, and the entire people of Eritrea in general are living in extreme anxiety and psychological turmoil. Today, as we commemorate and celebrate the 64th of September 1st, should be a day to remember the liberation cause for which it was set out, reflect on the yet unrealized freedom of our people, and renew our commitment to a united action to achieve the freedom of our people. It is the sacred duty of every Eritrean, especially the younger generation, to carry forward the torch of freedom ignited on September 1st, 1961. That flame, born of sacrifice and resilience, must burn until it reaches its full promise. We have affirmed the sovereignty of our land through struggle and unity. Now, we must affirm the sovereign rights of our people, their freedom, dignity, and voice. Yes, by our children, it will dawn. Let this be our rallying cry, our vow to the generations before us, and our gift to those yet to come. The Eritrean youth have risen to overthrow the regime of dictatorship and terror that is tormenting the people of Eritrea. They are waving the torch of freedom of September 1st to restore the freedom of our people, which was betrayed by the dictatorial regime of Eritrea. We are entering a vibrant stage of struggle that requires Eritrean parents and veterans to stand by their children and share their advice and experiences, and where our young children also turn to their parents. This passionate struggle will not stop until it achieves its liberation goal. Just as we secured independence through our armed struggle yesterday, our struggle for the freedom of our people is just and its victory is inevitable. We Eritreans may differ in many ways. But in our patriotism, the sovereignty of our country and people, as Eritreans, we have never been separated. The past 30 years of the Eritrean people's revolutionary struggle is a living testimony. The world, too, is our witness. So, on this precious day, September 1st, it is in the hearts of the entire people of Eritrea to prove in action our commitment to rehardening the unity we proved in the liberation struggle. This public appeal is urgent at a time when our country is in a very critical and dangerous stage. All of us Eritreans, leaders and ordinary citizens, Eritreans at home and abroad, have an obligation to pay due attention to this urgent public appeal and contribute. We must uproot the brutal regime of our country led by a minority clique that has plunged our country into abyss by suppressing all the structures that should be the freedom of our people, constitutional system, people's parliament, other institutions where our people express their beliefs and free voices. We must work harder than ever to build it. Congratulations to the heroes who sacrificed their lives for us, never doubting that freedom would dawn. By our children, it will dawn. www.snitna.com, the 1st of September, 2025.